In 2002, Elon Musk founded SpaceX with a bold vision to make humanity a multiplanetary species. This vision was not just a dream, but a well-thought-out plan to ensure the survival and expansion of human civilization. This ambitious goal required overcoming a fundamental hurdle: the high cost of space travel. Traditional space missions were prohibitively expensive, making frequent and sustainable space travel nearly impossible. Musk believed reusable rockets were the key, and SpaceX set out to revolutionize the aerospace industry. The concept of reusability was groundbreaking, promising to drastically reduce costs and increase the frequency of launches. The company faced skepticism from established aerospace giants and government agencies. Many industry experts were doubtful, questioning the feasibility and safety of reusable rockets. Many doubted a private company could compete, let alone innovate, in this challenging arena. The aerospace sector was dominated by well-established players with decades of experience and government backing. Undeterred, Musk poured his own fortune and relentless drive into SpaceX, attracting brilliant engineers and technicians to the cause. His leadership and vision inspired a dedicated team willing to take on the impossible. SpaceX established its headquarters in Hawthorne, California, a location chosen for its proximity to the aerospace talent pool and manufacturing facilities. This strategic location played a crucial role in the company's early development. A former Boeing factory became the bustling hub for SpaceX's audacious plans, where a culture of innovation and rapid iteration took root. The factory was transformed into a state-of-the-art facility, fostering creativity and efficiency. Musk's ultimate goal was Mars, but first SpaceX needed a reliable, cost-effective launch vehicle. The journey to Mars would require a series of incremental advancements, starting with a successful launch system. This led to the development of the Falcon 1, a small two-stage rocket designed to prove SpaceX's capabilities and pave the way for larger, more ambitious projects. The Falcon 1 was a critical stepping stone in SpaceX's journey. Little did anyone know the journey of Falcon 1 would be fraught with challenges, testing SpaceX's resilience and determination. Each failure brought valuable lessons, pushing the team to innovate and improve. The Falcon 1 was designed to be a relatively simple, liquid-fueled rocket, capable of carrying small satellites into low Earth orbit. It was SpaceX's first foray into the world of space exploration, a bold step towards making space more accessible. However, developing a reliable launch vehicle from scratch proved to be a monumental task even for SpaceX's talented team. The challenges were numerous and complex, requiring innovative solutions and relentless determination. The first three launches of Falcon 1 in 2006, 2007, and 2008 all ended in failure. Each failure was a significant setback, testing the resolve and resilience of the entire SpaceX team. The initial launches were plagued by various technical issues, from engine problems to structural failures. These issues highlighted the difficulties of rocket science and the fine margins between success and failure. Each setback was a harsh lesson for SpaceX, forcing the engineers to meticulously analyze data, identify flaws, and redesign components. The team had to dig deep, leveraging their expertise and creativity to overcome each obstacle. Publicly, the failures were embarrassing and costly, raising doubts about SpaceX's ability to deliver on its promises. The media was quick to criticize, and the pressure on the team was immense. Despite mounting pressure and dwindling funds, Musk and his team refused to give up. They were driven by a vision of a future where space travel was more affordable and accessible. They learned from each mistake, constantly iterating and improving the Falcon 1 design. The process was grueling, but each modification brought them one step closer to success. The team worked tirelessly, often around the clock, driven by their unwavering belief in the mission. Their dedication and hard work were crucial in overcoming the numerous challenges they faced. Finally, on September 28, 2008, the fourth Falcon 1 launch took place from Omelek Island in the Pacific Ocean. This launch was a make-or-break moment for SpaceX. This time, everything went according to plan. The rocket's engines roared to life, and it lifted off the launch pad with precision and power. The rocket soared through the atmosphere, successfully reaching orbit and deploying its dummy payload. It was a flawless execution, a testament to the team's hard work and perseverance. This marked a historic achievement, making SpaceX the first privately funded company to launch a liquid-fueled rocket into Earth orbit. The success of Falcon 1 was a pivotal moment, paving the way for future innovations and missions. The success of Falcon 1 was a turning point for SpaceX. It proved to the world that the company could deliver on its promises and opened up new opportunities. With renewed confidence and financial backing, SpaceX set its sights on developing a much larger and more powerful rocket, the Falcon 9. The Falcon 9 was designed to be a two-stage rocket capable of carrying significantly heavier payloads into orbit, including cargo and eventually astronauts to the International Space Station. It featured 9 Merlin engines in its first stage, providing significantly more thrust than the Falcon 1. The first Falcon 9 launch took place on June 4, 2010, from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. The launch was a success, sending a mock-up of the Dragon spacecraft into orbit. This marked another major milestone for SpaceX, firmly establishing the company as a major player in the commercial spaceflight industry. From the outset, SpaceX aimed to dramatically reduce the cost of spaceflight by developing reusable rockets. Traditionally, rockets were expendable, meaning they were discarded after each launch, contributing significantly to the high cost of space travel. SpaceX focused on recovering the Falcon 9's first stage, which contains the majority of the rocket's cost. After stage separation, the first stage would perform a series of controlled maneuvers, including re-entry, burn, and landing leg deployment. The first successful landing of a Falcon 9 first stage occurred on December 21, 2015 at Cape Canaveral. This groundbreaking achievement marked a turning point in spaceflight history, demonstrating that rocket reusability was not only possible but also practical. Section 5, the mighty heavy Falcon Heavy takes flight. In 2018, SpaceX achieved another significant milestone with the maiden flight of the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world. The Falcon Heavy consists of 3 Falcon 9 first stages strapped together, generating over 5 million pounds of thrust at liftoff. The first Falcon Heavy launch on February 6, 2018 captivated the world. The rocket carried a unique payload, Elon Musk's personal Tesla Roadster, with a spacesuit-clad mannequin named Starman in the driver's seat. The launch was a spectacular success, with the 2 side boosters landing simultaneously back at Cape Canaveral. The Falcon Heavy's capabilities opened up new possibilities for space exploration, enabling the launch of heavier payloads to destinations beyond Earth orbit, including the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Section 6. Aiming for Mars, the ambitious Starship program. While Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy represented significant achievements in space travel, Elon Musk's ultimate vision remained fixed on Mars, the red planet. To colonize the red planet and make humanity a multiplanetary species, SpaceX needed a fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying hundreds of people and tons of cargo. Enter Starship, the next giant leap. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel, aiming to revolutionize space exploration. It consists of 2 primary components: the Starship upper stage, which will carry crew and cargo, providing the necessary space and facilities for long-duration missions, and the Super Heavy booster, designed to lift Starship into orbit, ensuring it reaches its destination efficiently. Both Starship and Super Heavy are being developed to be fully reusable, with the ability to land back on Earth or other planetary surfaces, making space travel more sustainable. SpaceX has been conducting a series of test flights with Starship prototypes at its Boca Chica, Texas facility, pushing the envelope of innovation. These tests have involved high-altitude flights and landings, each one providing critical insights, pushing the boundaries of rocket technology and engineering, and gathering valuable data for the development of the final Starship and Super Heavy vehicles, bringing us closer to Mars. Section 7. Pushing boundaries, SpaceX's technological innovations. SpaceX's success can be attributed in part to its relentless pursuit of technological innovation. The company has pioneered numerous advancements in rocketry, including reusable rocket technology. SpaceX's development of reusable Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets has significantly reduced the cost of spaceflight, making space more accessible than ever before. Advanced Merlin and Raptor engines. SpaceX's in-house designed engines offer high performance and reliability, powering the company's rockets. Vertical landing technology. SpaceX's ability to land its rockets vertically on land and at sea is a remarkable feat of engineering, enabling rocket reuse, autonomous flight control systems. SpaceX rockets are highly automated, reducing the need for human intervention during launch and landing. Section 8, a new era of exploration, SpaceX's impact and legacy. SpaceX's impact on the space industry and beyond is undeniable. The company has re-energized public interest in space exploration. SpaceX's ambitious missions and captivating launches have inspired a new generation of space enthusiasts, increased access to space for government and commercial customers. SpaceX's reliable and cost-effective launch services have opened up space for a wider range of customers, driven innovation and competition in the aerospace industry. SpaceX's disruptive approach has challenged traditional aerospace giants and fostered innovation across the industry. Section 9, to infinity and beyond, SpaceX's vision for the future. SpaceX's journey is far from over. The company continues to push the boundaries of space exploration with its ambitious goals of establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. SpaceX aims to build a self-sustaining city on Mars, making humanity a multi-planetary species, expanding human presence throughout the solar system. SpaceX envisions a future where humans explore and potentially inhabit other planets and moons in our solar system, making life multi-planetary. SpaceX believes that becoming a multi-planetary species is crucial for the long-term survival of humanity. SpaceX's story is one of ambition, innovation, and perseverance. From its humble beginnings, the company has overcome numerous challenges to become a leading force in space exploration. With its sights set on Mars and beyond, SpaceX continues to inspire and push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of space travel and human ingenuity.